안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Last time I introduced 4 of my favorite Korean side dishes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Korean lunchbox using those dishes. Shall we get started? First, let's make the rice for the lunchbox. Put 1 cup of rice in the rice cooker. 1 cup of rice is enough for about 2 people. Wash the rice 2 to 3 times in running cold water. I've shown you how to cook rice in a pot before, but usually I don't use a pot and instead use an electric pressure rice cooker. I've been using it for about 3 years and it's very convenient. Pour about 1.5 cups of water into 1 cup of rice. For delicious rice, instead of cooking it immediately, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes before cooking to make the rice glossy and tastier. After 30 minutes, if you look at the Korean electric pressure rice cooker, there are various functions, but you just need to press the first rice cooking function. Press the start button. It takes about 20 minutes for the rice to be ready. After 20 minutes, wow, the rice turned out really delicious. After the rice is done, don't just leave it, but stir it evenly in a spatula. This will prevent the rice from becoming hard and will make it delicious with a good texture. Put an appropriate amount of rice in the lunchbox. Once the rice is ready, let's pack some side dishes that go well with rice in the lunchbox. For the side dishes to put in the lunchbox, refer to my last video how to make it. If you have lettuce, lay a few leaves. If not, you can skip it. Then put a little bulgogi on top. I will put other side dishes in the rest of the box. This side dish box has dividers, which seems good for putting in foods. Let me put in some stir-fried kimchi, which I like. A Korean lunchbox without kimchi would be a bit plain, don't you think? Let me also add some rolled eggs. And finally, some crispy seasoned cucumbers. All the nutrients are well balanced. Once everything is packed in the lunchbox, close the lid of the box. Then secure the box tightly. When you eat, just open the box like this and enjoy. What's your favorite food to include in your lunchbox? Please let me know in the comments below. If you think today's video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.